Good day everyone. How to use hyperlink in PowerPoint. First, select the text or object. Choose the text or object you want to turn into hyperlink. And next, go to the Insert tab, negative to tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. Click on hyperlink, click on button in the link groups. Enter the URL or select file location. In the Insert hyperlink dialog box, enter the URL you want to link to or select a file or location from your computer or network. Click and OK to create the hyperlink. So this is the very basic guys. So to how use hyperlink in PowerPoint. That's guys. Okay. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.